So today I'm reviewing this product. It's the Avène Cicalfate Plus. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong. But it's a serum. It's an intense serum. Let's see, 30 millimeters. And if you want to look at the benefits, I recommend you look at their product page. But basically, it helps to restore the skin barrier and strengthen the skin's ability to resist daily aggressors. Um, let's see. It also soothes tightness and feeling of discomfort, and it gives you 24 hours of moisturization. Yeah, basically that's it. This is how the product looks, the packaging though, and here's the bottle itself. It's a nice clean bottle. It's like the colors of their what's it called, brand as well, and it looks really thick and creamy if you can see up close. I'm gonna use it on my face. And it has a thick dropper. I don't know if you can see really well. And then this is how it looks. It holds a good amount in that dropper. So let me put some on my skin and give you my honest opinion on that. Put it right there so it's more stable. My bad. But I'm just gonna pat it to the skin gently. It doesn't have it has a slight smell, but it's like of skincare. Like, how usual skincare smell, like it's not irritating or bothersome. In a way, it's not like like I said, it smells like ointment, skincare, something like that. It doesn't smell like it has fragrances in it. But don't quote me on that just in case it does. I do recommend you go look at their product page. And so far it's moisturizing. My skin feels a little dewy now. So I haven't put moisturizer today since I was gonna use this product. And I usually have really dry skin, so it absorbed it really well in the cheeks. The cheeks are my driest area. And yeah, it's like I have very sensitive skin. It doesn't irritate my skin. No, um, it doesn't burn nothing. It just hydrating. It feels like a little bit of cooling as well. I feel like I can put more, but it does feel nice. I definitely do recommend this.